Hey guys, so I am back with another get ready for a dance competition with me. I always look so miserable in these, but I promise I'm not. Like, look, see? Anyways, hairspray, blonde spray, boom. There's the bad boy. I get so many questions about this wig, so message me on Instagram if you want to know anything. After putting about 1,000 bobby pins in my hair, coffee break. And if you're telling me you do not suck up all the chocolate bits after, you're a liar. Anyways, now I gotta put my headpiece on. I just clip this into my wig by using bobby pins. I can't believe how serious I look. Anyway, makeup time. I hate fresh makeup. It gives me so many spots, but we won't talk about that. Anyways, once I've blended all that in, I am ready. Beautiful. And then here's me and all the girls in my age group. I did come first. Oh my god, look, I can't even hold a trophy up properly. I seriously worry about myself. Yep, Minnie, just put it back down. Embarrassing.